what we want now is to assign two colors to this pot. And how can we do that? We only need to do two things. First of all, add two materials to the same object, like this, material 1. And then let's add another material, make it material 2. So now we have two materials. Let's make this one red and this one is white. So now we can see we have our first material that is assigned everywhere, while second material is nowhere to be found. While we have selected our second material, we need to go into edit mode of this object and tell Blender which places or which faces we want to cover with this material, right? So we will have to, let's say, select this loop because I want this to be over here, and then Control plus, it will select this loop, and if I press Control plus one more time, it will select all of these faces, and I want this material 2, white one, assigned to all of these materials, all of these faces. We will tell now Blender that only these faces, these ones that we have selected, we want white color to be painted on them. So we will just press assign while we have selected our material 2. So now you can see we have very quickly assigned white to our object, the second color to our object. And same way, I want this white color to be over here. So again, in edit mode, I will select these faces just like this, and will increase my selection by pressing Control plus. And now I will do the same drill, assign. So okay, now you can see we have an issue. I have accidentally selected certain extra faces which I did not want. So the first way we can reverse this is by pressing Ctrl Z a bunch of times. If I do that, my problem would be fixed. Or there's another way, the second way, that would be subtraction. We can select these faces and go to material 1 and assign it. And same way, if I assign red to these faces, these will be removed from my white color. So yes, this is what I wanted, and this is what we have. So yeah, that's how we assign two materials or two colors to a single object.